Courtesy of your Miami Realtors, you now have access to Proxio Connect, free for Miami Proxio Standard Agent access. Proxio allows you to grow your business, get more exposure, build referral business, and win more presentations. Grow your business by exposing your inventory, including new development, enabling you to expand your business with local, multicultural, and international clients. Get more exposure with agents from around the world promoting your listing in their markets through social media, exposing your properties to new pools of buyers in their language of choice. Build your referral business by developing a referral network and connecting with motivated real estate agents around the world, using sophisticated marketing tools to promote listings and connect. Win more presentations with the advantage of impressing your clients with beautiful digital marketing. Access Proxio through our gateway. View your Proxio profile and make use of it. For my gateway, just simply click through and open the world of Proxio. Thank you for being a Miami member. Always more with Miami.